Welcome students, class 10. Yes. In class 9 we discussed about finding mode of ungrouped data. What is ungrouped data? See, I am writing one ungrouped data. So 10, 11, 8, 9, 11, 8, 10, 11, 8. One data is given. Marks obtained by students. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let us take one more. 9, 10 students. Now we will see frequency of each data. Okay. 2 seconds. Look here. Sound was there from outside, so I have just closed the door. Now, first what we do? We write frequency of data. See, 8. What is meaning of 8? 1, 2, 3. Marks. Frequency. 3. Okay, 8 is 4. Next, 9 is next. 9, 1, 2, 9, 2. Then 10, 1, 2. 10, 1, 2. Then 11, 1, 2, 3. So any more observation left? No observation. Look here. See, in class 9 we discussed about finding mode of ungrouped data. So what is maximum frequency? 3. So what is mode? Mode equal to 8 and 11. See, I deliberately took this example with 2 maximum frequencies. Mode can be 2 numbers. Okay, 2 observations can be modal values. Mode 8 and 11. So ultimately we got mode is an observation with highest frequency. This we discussed in class 9. Class 10 we will learn about mode of group data. In class 10 we will discuss about mode of grouped data. See now, friends, mode of grouped data. I have taken one group data example. Age of patients 5 to 15, 15 25, 25 35, 35 45, 45 55, 55 65. First of all, we will write formula of the mode for group data. L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 divided by H. Got it? Understood? This formula is very important. We have to remember compulsory. Look at what is there. L for lower limit. F frequency. How many frequencies? F0, F1, F2. This numbering is done for the right in ascending order. So first will be F0, second F2, third is F. Second F1, third is F2. Now here it is lower limit. Which lower limit? Lower limit of modal class. What is H? Class size. In group data, highest frequency helps to find modal class. See, highest frequency. And this highest frequency is F1. Highest frequency, or we can write class with highest frequency is known as modal class. So what is modal class here? Modal class equal to 35 to 45. And frequency of modal class is F1. Frequency of modal class, that is 23. F0 is delaying frequency. before. Preceding means frequency before F1. F2. Succeeding frequency. Succeeding means next. Succeeding frequency. That is 14. F2. Succeeding means next. Preceding means before. Before. Next. Before. Next. Please remember. Next means F1 के बाद वाले. Preceding F1 के पहले वाले. Got it? Now H. Class size 5 to 15, 10. See, we got all values F1, F0, F2, H. What about L? Lower limit of class. L. L equal to 35. Lower limit. इसका lower limit? Lower limit of model class. Now put these values, get answer. So what is important part for this example? Knowing formula. If you know formula, you get from example. Pass you get. Here L. H 10. Now put the value. See. I am putting value 35 plus F1 23 minus 21 upon 223 minus 21 minus 14. Multiplied by H how much? 10. We are in class 10. See student, 35 plus what is value? 2 upon 26 minus 35. See both are negative. So add. Okay. Multiplied by 10. See this 10. 2 multiplied by 10, 20 upon 11. Important is this. Be careful, please. Both are negative, so I added 46 minus 35. Now I told you, first of all, this fraction always convert into decimal. See, we can convert this 20 upon 11 in decimal. That is 35 plus 11 once 11. We enter 9. 9 clear 0. 11 is 88. 11 x 88. 11 2. 2 clear 0 becomes 20. 11 once 11. Okay. Remember, remainder 9. Taken 0 becomes 90. 11 20. Find decimal up to 2 to 3 places. Now see you got 35 plus 1.818, 36.181. That is more. See how simple? Very simple. What is important? Formula. If you know formula, you get from table. Okay. I will give you one example for practice. Please watch my video 2 times. Understand? Write example. Solve. If you like, subscribe. Okay, students? Fine. I am giving you short assignment of finding mode. Okay, see.